Today, I'm going to teach you how to alter your genetics and use science to help you lose weight. Just kidding. Your genetics actually play one of the most important factors when it comes to your ideal physique. Now, if you're like David Goggins and are willing to accept running 10 to 15 miles a day, this advice doesn't apply. However, I think for the vast majority of us, myself included, being very realistic about what are the daily habits you're willing to take on and what are the expected results can really help set you up for success in the long term. I think this is where social media gets a bad rap, where it has really allowed us access to compare ourselves to the world, but really being happy with what we are gifted with naturally, I think across all aspects of life will just help us become happier in the long term. Sure, I want to be able to swim like Michael Phelps, but in reality, being happy that I have all working limbs, to having the mindset to want to even share this information is an example of really being grateful of the gifts that I've been given in life and really optimize around those. So with that, here are my top tips to really help aid the process into getting the best shape of your life. So tip number 1, strength training builds muscle, and having more muscle naturally burns more calories at rest. I will say it's important to balance cardio like running, walking, whatever suits you, to really help promote confusion and keep things fresh. And so it is not to neglect one or the other, but it's just to state the facts that having muscle really helps burn calories in the long term. Eating enough protein is another hack to building and sustaining muscle. So make sure that you're prioritizing this within each meal. Incorporating high intensity interval training in your workouts. When you elevate your heart rate, there are metabolic boosting effects even after the workout. I'll add to this, prioritize workouts that don't feel like workouts. Leverage the power of community, join a workout class, keep things fun and interesting so that you want to